Whoa, that's a big cow. We're here at the Orange County Fair today to look at some of the craziest, wildest rides. Let's check them out. Let's go. Skyride was 6 tickets, I believe. You could buy a book of 16 tickets for $20, so they're roughly, what, $1.25, $1.50 a piece. So each ride is usually between like 5 to 7 tickets, so you're talking $5, $6 per ride. There's almost 60 rides, I believe. There's 100 food booths, a ton of exhibits. No need to spend all kinds of money to go to Disneyland for themed attractions when you have this. Look at, it's a snake and a tiki god, and wow, the theming is impeccable on this. Look at, we've got the tiki umbrella. We're ready for a wild river adventure. The theming on this ride is like nothing I've ever seen. It's like being at Disney World. Whoa! Hold on! Hold on! You ever wonder how they put these rides together and take them down so quickly? This thing is massive. It's like something you'd see in London or Las Vegas. I don't know. Actually, we tried to go on earlier and it was closed. Should I do it? Titan is the largest carnival ride in the country. Look at this thing. It was at the LA County Fair and there was no way I was getting on. And it's currently closed for maintenance. So yeah, that's a no. And FYI, it's 14 tickets. So that's $20 to ride. So I went on this, the Remix 2 at the LA County Fair a couple weeks ago. I'll edit in the footage of that. It is one of the most insanely fast rides you've ever seen. When I walked by it and I put the video up, it almost looks like it was on fast forward mode. You know, like those Facebook videos, is this real, would you ride it? That's really how fast this thing goes. But this ride is insane. Once was enough.
Corner racing cheese. How many we got, Mom?
No, I do not recommend that. I don't know why anybody would ever go on that. There were moments where like I didn't feel my legs or my feet, even worse than the other ride. I think I blacked out at one point. No, just absolutely not. And if I don't get a like and a subscribe out of that, so you believe me that we're not editing this video. This is my normal speed of talking. That's how fast that thing is going. Completely crazy. Absolutely nuts. most of the adult rides take like 6 to 7 tickets. For reference, 16 tickets was $20. So do the math on that, about how many tickets you need. And they always sell them in an amount that you can't use. So you always get 1 or 2 left over, or you get stuck buying a whole other block of them.
On that black bar.
We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And if you're not following us on social media, you can find us at theFUNnelCakeBlog on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. And this cow right here, she's subscribed, and she hit the notification bell.
They don't check.
It definitely makes you dizzy. It's not nearly as scary as it looked before you're getting onto it, but I will say, when you go up the backside, the G's on it, every time you do that loop, your whole like lower body goes numb.